My name, Ananda Septian Caksono, a 19-year-old young from East Lampung Regency, was arrested by the Bandar Lampung City Police for being involved in theft of a motorbike or theft. The man with the initial GA was arrested along with 11 other pre-theft. Of that, we were present at a press conference to reveal the case at the Bandar Lampung Police Headquarters Wednesday, 28 September 2022. GA Batley admitted the had committed theft more than once. So forgetful, GA said he had been the predator of theft since 2 years ago, when he was 17 years old. While in action, GA and his partner are still at large. The victim motorbike that was successfully targeted was sold into the hands of a middleman in Lampung for around 4 million. Thank you.